Hello, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Danny Smith, McFalls Locksmith.
Manny. It's that car right there. I don't know if you need like any proof of anything. But,
What have you got?
it's just both of the car keys are stuck in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Your car.
It's my mom. She's has to take mine to work.
Okay. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Cool. So there you go, brother.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good to meet you.
Yeah,
Manny, right?
Yeah.
Good to meet you. And I think Austin's going to send a bill to your mom or somebody.
All right.
All right, you got your keys. Let's make sure you get them.
Yeah. Okay. I'll get them. You have a good day.
Yes, sir. You too.